there's a part of you that is looking for something more in your life, and more isn't necessarily about accumulation of things, but richness, authenticity, just a way to feel inside you that is solid and authentic. And that's what I think the healing journey is. The healing journey is a evolution of coming back to you. And so any healing journey is the process of clearing, rebuilding your essence, getting all your life force and vitality back to you, and most importantly, trusting yourself. So join me and reclaim the truth of who you are.